Time. You think cooking is a cute job, eh? Like mommy in the kitchen? Mommy never had to taste the dinner right before putting in every dish is different. Every second counts. You cannot be mommy. Keep your station clear. The heroes count what will happen. Empty station goes down. Put down the keep your station clear, or I will kill you. How do you tell a good bread is without tasting it? Not the smell, not the look, but the sound, the crust. Listen. Symphony of crackle. Only great bread sound this way.